Hello everyone. In the fertilizer technology, recently we discussed about the various types of crop and the application of crop and um, fertilizers. So here the next topic is that ammonia synthesis flow sheet. Okay. So here is the ammonia synthesis. Most modern ammonia synthesis process are based on steam reforming or natural gas or naphtha. So the three main technology suppliers are USDE, Topsoe process and ammonia KBR process. Okay, the process steps are very similar in all cases. The other one is that other suppliers are Linde process and ammonia uh, 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 synthesis processes. Simplified NH3 plant. So basically, it is the in the form of HC feed. So hydrogen and so HC purifications, they are going into primary reforming, H2 is added, and then secondary reforming, and CO is shifting to the purifications and ammonia synthesis. Okay, so what exactly process here? So removing impurities, sulfur, chlorine, okay, and then convert into carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, H2O and methane, and then secondary reforming के अंदर combustion of the adiabatic reforming added plus nitrogens plus WGH reactions. So in the purification section, removal of methane and the CO2, then synthesis of cylindrical compression and converts the ammonium. Okay, so Banfield process is two-stage regenerator and normally purified to 0.05 percentage of CO2. Okay, so this is only informative. Ammonia synthesis loop. Okay, so synthesis reaction is equilibrium limited, typically 15 to 20 percentage of NH3 are converted exist, therefore it is recycled in a loop is required. So recycling process are required. Okay, so other wastage products are required for in the ammonia synthesis process. So it is our multi-stage complex converts are required to control the temperatures. Okay, and various design are used to depending upon the contractor. Liquid ammonia is required by the refrigeration process through we can recover the ammonia. Simplified flow sheet from a typical ammonia. तो ये हम यूजिंग द प्रोसेस हम देखेंगे. Okay, what exactly here do the air and the natural plant जो है ammonia synthesis process का वो इस तरह से है. Natural gas is adding to natural gas and जो H2 गैस है उसे हम ऐड करेंगे रिएक्टेंट के अंदर, बर्नर के अंदर. So it gives us applying a steam and also send it to the heat exchanger. Okay, so ये पूरा प्रोसेस हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Ammonia plant and steam power system. Waste steam heat recovery is used to raise HP steams and 100 to 120 120 bar. Steam is used to drive the main compressor. Main compressor like process air, synthesized gas compression plus circulations. इसके लिए हमें ये रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए. And pass out steam is used for the process. Okay, now ammonia flow sheet variation पहलू UHDE process. So top fired reformer and a cold outlet manifold design, secondary reformer with internal riser and HP loop is 200 bar with radial flow converter 1 to 2 converters. Once through a synthesized sections upstream of many synthesis loop for a very large capacities, dual pressures USD processes. Second one is KBR. So ammonia flow sheet variations, two fire reformer. Here is reformer है. वो है टू फायर्ड रिफॉर्मर विथ इंटरनल राइजर. Second is several synthesis loop options are conventional up to 140 bars and 4 bed converter. Higher pressure for large scale plants and horizontal converter on modern plant and design up to 100 bar loop, and then bronze purifier flow sheet. The third one is the main is TOPSA processes. So साइड फायर रिफॉर्मर और इसके अंदर रेडियल फ्लो कन्वर्टर होता है जिसकी जो साइज़ है वो है टू बेड इंटरकूलेड और इस तरह से 3 बेड इंटरकूलर भी होता है. एंड द लिंडे प्रोसेस ऑफ द एमोनिया प्रोसेस. तो एक तो आपके सिलेबस के अंदर एमोनिया लिंडे प्रोसेस एंड द एमोनिया सिंथेसिस बाय CO2, ये जो पूरा प्रोसेस है वो आपके मेनली जो कि आपका सिलेबस है उसके अंदर दिया गया है. ओके. So how it can be mechanism is done. So dissociative adsorptions of H2 and then deassociated adsorption of N2 and H2 and believed to be rate determining step. Also multi-stage hydrogenation of absorbed N2 and desorptions of N3, that means NH3. और ये जो पूरा एमोनिया सिंथेसाइज लूप है, ठीक है. So which is nitrogen in gas and also hydrogen is on 3 mole of hydrogen and this one is forward reaction, we get the ammonia, and the backward reaction is also we here. So here is the process exothermic reactions and ammonia converter configurations. So in which features of UHD 3 bed radial flow ammonia converter. 3 radial flow, these are the typically in the first one is it is a low pressure drop, it having a small catalyst size and a maximum conversion rate, where indirect cooling by the and then the catalyst type BASF and 6 to 10 and as 6 to 10 rate is magnetite the iron Fe3O4 catalyst, and the size is from 1.5 to 3 mm, and operating pressure operating temperature range is 350 degrees Celsius to 520 degrees Celsius. Now two differential equation describe the mathematically by the steady state behavior of ammonia converter. So concentration positions, relationship between the transportation of the reactant to product, and conversion profile. Second one is temperature positions, behavior of reacting synthesis gas, the catalyst and vessel internals. Okay, so the derivations of the model equations on the basis of bed radius, that is the bed radius considering as a dr, and it is unable to the follow the temperature distribution inside the catalyst bed more accurate. So here is the mass balance based on the nitrogen conversion. So નાઇટ્રોજન કન્વર્ઝન માટે જે ઇક્વેશન છે આ રીતે યુઝ કરવાનું છે, dx of n2 divided by dr and efficiency of r nh3 divided by 2f0 by n2 divided by a, where जो x n2 क्या है वो है, it is the fraction conversion of nitrogen, dr is the radius of catalyst bed, eta is the effectiveness factor and it should be considered as a 1, and r of nh3 का मतलब है reaction rate which is in kilomole per meter cube per hour, and f0 n2 is the initial molar flow rate of nitrogen. Okay, and a is the surface area by the catalyst bed which is considering the meter square. Okay, then energy balance. Energy balance, how it can be calculated? So it is divided by dt by dr is given to minus h of r minus delta hr into r of nh3 and into efficiency and divided by rho u cp. So each terminology can be defined perfectly. T is the temperature, r is the radius for the catalyst bed, delta hr is the heat of reaction. Okay, that means delta hr means the reaction is the heat of reactions. rnh3 reaction rate is in kilomole per meter cube per hour. Eta is the efficiency, rho is the density of gas, mu is the velocity of the fluid, and cp is the specific gravity. Okay, and the rate of reaction is given here. So ammonium modified ammonia, so r of nh3, okay, it is given equal to beta of k2 and k square an2 and a of h2 and a square of nh3. Okay, so this equation is only informative and you have to just follow down, because this equation is this calculation is used for over the Linde process and the synthesis process, where alpha is constant over here and k is the equilibrium constant, ai is the activity of component I, and beta is the catalyst activity coefficient. Okay, so here is the example is given there for the catalyst and do the model development. Okay, so here is the temperature profile, outlet temperature, down temperature profile, conversion profile. Okay, second bed, third bed. Okay, this one is only informative only. The model verification data. So from the first bed, second bed and third bed, and what should be the temperature deviations and model calculations are given here. So plant data for the temperature for the first bed is 510 and it will be the model calculations result is 507. So the deviation percentage of deviation is that 0.50 and second mean temperature is 464 and deviation is 0.15 only. And for the third bed, the percentage of variation or the deviation is can be we say that it is 0.60 and exit temperature deviation is 0.91 and exit percentage of ammonia is 0.72 and for the ammonia make के लिए जो temperature deviation it is very small, it is 0.09. So here is the single bed and multi bed ammonia converter theorem required for the data.